So today on Cooking on the Fly, we're going to cook chicken parmesan. Let's do it. Okay, this is a keto meal. So we have our chicken here, an egg, mozzarella cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, our sauce. Now you can use whatever you like. Watch for bad oils though. This has avocado oil. Pork rinds. Got some green beans for my side dish. Garlic salt. Oregano or basil. Salt and pepper. I also have some avocado oil, but you could use olive oil or coconut oil. Got some chicken thigh here. It would probably be better to use chicken breast, but this is what I have. And you can see how thick these are, so I'm just going to cut these in half. So now I'm going to take my meat here. I'm going to put it on this plate just to make it easier. I'm going to put some salt and pepper on it, season it up. Some oregano. I'm going to do both sides. Now I'm just going to set this aside until we need it. I got my bowl ready. I'm going to take my egg and put it right in here. Got my measuring cup and my whipping cream. Now I'm going to use about 1/4 of a cup. I'm going to pour it right in here with the egg. Now I'm just going to whisk this up. Now I got out this bowl. What I'm going to do is take my garlic powder. About 1/2 teaspoon, put that right in there. Parmesan cheese, we want about 1/2 cup. Now I got my pork rinds. Now we're going to crush these up so you know what time it is. It's hammer time. My trusty kitchen hammer. Look at that. Pork rinds have 0 carbs. This is a great keto snack. Look at the ingredients. Pork rinds and salt. So now I'm just going to crush these up. This is a great alternative to using corn flakes or some kind of gluten product. Pork rinds are gluten-free. There you have it. We need about 1 cup. That might be enough. Let's try it. I'm going to use a little bit deeper bowl so I can mix this. So this is what it should look like. I'm going to pour this out on a plate just to make it easier. Got my pan ready. Going to put some oil in here and heat it up. Now you can see, since I have chicken thighs, they kind of fell apart here, so I think I'm going to cut them in strips and cook them that way. Definitely better if you have kids. Now I'm going to take my egg mixture here. This is what we're going to do. We're going to take our chicken and dredge it through here. And then we're going to move it to here. Now they don't look pretty. I'm hoping they'll cook up nice. So I'm just going to put these in the pan. I'm going to put the lid on to try and melt the Parmesan that's on the top. Just for a minute. I'm going to flip these over now. They're not pretty, but that'll be delicious once there's sauce and cheese on them. So you probably figured out I'm not very good at cooking things that have breading on them. Onion rings, complete disaster. So I'm just happy that they look like this. Maybe yours will look better. Let me know below in the comments. Got my containers ready. This is going to be a meal prep, so I'm going to turn off my heat. Put these right in here. Look at that. Now I got my green beans in the pan. Gonna cook these on medium. Still got some oil in there. Got some minced garlic. Now you can use the garlic powder, garlic salt, whatever you have. I just like this better. Okay, back to my meal prep. I'm going to put these beans right in here. We're going to put this over the chicken. Look at that. I'm going to put this right on here. And some more oregano. Salt and pepper. You're going to put these in the oven until the cheese is bubbly. I'm going to put them in there for about 20 minutes. Now you can also do this while they're still in the skillet. That would be ideal. But since these are meal preps, I'm not actually going to be eating these at home. I'm preparing them so that they can be cooked in the microwave or wherever you're going to eat them. I'm going to put these in the oven. 400 degrees. Alright, I'm going to take these out. That's hot.
Yeah, those aren't very good pot holders.
Yeah, they're not. I use this one.